XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this correction, we mentioned we're looking for the buy. Even we mentioned that the price can drop and tag 0.53. As you can see, the price drop almost tag 0.534. All right. Now, as we can see, the correction become more complex. Now, we want to see whether we can get the trade set up. All right. In this case, we start with daily chart. All right, as we can see, based on daily chart, we are looking for this correction. How we want to see how complex can be, because we mentioned with the breakout of the 0.6 and 0.65, then we're looking for continuation. Maybe we get the bigger correction before we get the next up move, but we cannot look for the reversal to price tag 0.34 or 0.36. All right, no, the thing is whether we can get the drop from here to for the price to the retest 0.36 following by 0.34, or the price can break 0.65 for continuation. All right, in this case we start to with 4 hour chart, and as you can see, based on 4 hour chart, we are within this correction is in relative to this. As we can see, still we can look for one more drop similar to what we have here. And that's mean internally we can look for flat before we get the next move. Means better if I move to 1 hour chart, it will be more clear. All right, if we move to 1 hour chart, we can look at this way. We can look at the first wave, this one turn to the internal flat. That's why if we get one more drop with the breakout of this low 0.53, any reversal it can give us a very good trade setup, because at that time, so we can, if we see the reversal, we can confirm this is a correction for buy, and we can look for buy setup within this range. Okay, that's why for me the best if we get one more drop, because we will have the internal flat in relative to what we have here. Okay, by the way, we're looking for buy, either the price continue from here or we get one more drop. How about if this one we really relate to this for one more, I mean for as a short move with the flag, maybe move to 15 minutes, we see what we have there. This is what I'm referring to. We have this move, and maybe this is the start of the up move. Then how we can trade it? All right, in this case, we move to 1 hour chart. As I mentioned, for the best option is if we get one more drop, at least we can get this correction is finished and we can get better trade setup. But if the price continue from here, the only way to have entry above this, and what we want price tag break and continue sharply. If the price tag within 1 or 2 hours we see is not moving, we don't stay with the trade, or we wait for the breakout of this top, the next flag or correction we look for buy. All right, if the price continue from here, but if we get a flat, any drop, we need to see how deep it can go. Any reversal, we can look for buy. This is the best option because we can get better confirmation. By the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. This is what we're looking for. We were looking for, see whether we can get the buys, I mean, trade setup for buy or not. But it doesn't mean the price cannot drop. That's why we don't need to, if you want to buy, we need to get the trade setup. All right, because simply we can look for this flat for one more drop, give a flag for continuation. We need to be aware of that. That's why we need to get the trade setup. By the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.